He was a very intelligent man. He actually had a doctor of philosophy from Bern, Switzerland. He was elected to the Russian Duma. I forget exactly from where, but he was elected to their Duma, which is their parliament. But he was not allowed by the Tsarist authority to take his seat. This was at a time at about 1905, during the 1905 revolution, that was when he was elected, when there was a lot of political ferment, a lot of changes going on when he was elected. But he knew that, this was not a place for him, so he left. He managed to leave and came to North America, to New York, basically. He was very influential, I believe, in terms of the Yiddish culture, Yiddish language. He wrote profusely. He just wrote endlessly, it seemed. And he, I believe, was very, very influential in many ways in establishing Yiddishkeit in North America.